here, Richard and Tuna.
That's exactly what we're doing.
I don't want to do that.
Alright, well, welcome to our instructional video. I'm Tim.
And I'm Richard.
And this is Richard here. We're with Komodo Loco. Guessing that you already have your kit. And if you don't, you need to call up to Komodo Loco and either pick up or have them delivered a sushi making kit for you. I think the first kit we'll be doing is going to be a California roll, spicy tuna, spicy salmon. And so that's what we'll be doing today. So Richard, what's the first roll we want to make here?
I guess we could start with the spicy tuna roll because it only has 2 ingredients.
All right. So we got this is going to be the spicy mix right here, right?
Spicy tuna mix.
Spicy tuna. All right, and that's just ready to go.
We have our sushi rice.
Sushi rice, cool.
Which is seasoned vinegar rice. We have our nori sheets, which is seaweed.
Okay.
And
Good
all
deal.
right. So the rice is very sticky, so we're gonna put some water on our hands or gloves.
Is there a proper side that you want up or down on this?
So there's a shiny side.
Shiny
I
side?
don't know if you can see it. And then there's a rough side.
Kind of a rough side.
The rice is going to stick to the rough side.
Okay. Rough side up.
Rough side up.
Rough side
That's
up.
what we're going to stick the rice to. And then we'll flip it from there. So get your hands a little wet. This helps the rice from sticking to your gloves, your hands. If you have, if you want to use sesame oil, you can do that too. And then we're going to get a ball of rice, about the size of a baseball. All right, so in your right hand, you're going to have the ball of rice.
Okay.
And then your technique is you're going to go left to right. So put it in the top corner.
Okay.
And you're going to press down.
Press down.
And as you go across, you'll just press the rice.
Oh, okay.
Across like that.
Obviously, Richard is the sushi master here, and I don't know what I'm doing at all. So,
Okay.
Watch him, not me.
And if your hands start to get a little sticky, you just get a little more water.
Yeah.
Because then we're going to spread the rice.
Oh, okay. A little more water there.
There you go.
Okay.
So the technique, you put your fingers all together and you press down and pull back. These are kind of, there we go, like so. And then you want to try and cover the whole nori sheet with rice.
You want to kind of go off the edge?
Off the edge a little bit will help when you try and close it.
Okay.
So the sides don't really matter, but the top and bottom,
Yeah.
have it hanging over just a little bit. And you don't have to, it doesn't have to be perfect, but
Yeah. Well, that's good. It's good news.
you can get a little
Mine's a little rough there, okay? Okay.
All right. And then if you want, you can do a little sprinkle of sesame seed on the rice. So now you got your rice on the nori, and then we're gonna flip. Like that. Now this is where you get to add your ingredients.
Okay.
So in the kit we put these little pre-cut cucumbers, and you can choose your size. Some of them a little bigger, smaller. If you like cucumber, if you don't like it, don't have to put it in.
You cut these, and you can cut them down if you wanted to, right?
Exactly, make them smaller.
Depending.
So I cut them, they're right size for a roll.
Okay.
All right.
Kind of closer to you.
Yeah, a little bit closer to you because you're gonna roll over.
Okay.
And then we're gonna get our tuna.
Sure.
Well, we're gonna do the same technique basically we did with the rice, left to right, and then you kind of spread it. How much you want on there.
Sure.
So. All right.
Okay. Got our tuna here.
All right. Wipe my hands off a little bit. The makisu, sushi roll, sushi mat. So.
Get one of these in your kit.
This just it helps you roll the roll. You can do it by hand, but this helps it be a lot cleaner and faster, easier. So we're gonna lift up the side of your mat or your roll, and just push it under. We're gonna do 4 fingers again, and then but your thumbs are gonna go underneath the mat, like this. 4 fingers on your ingredients.
Okay.
Yeah, you wanna pull it back a little bit. You want like about an inch of mat. The mat sticks to the rice. Usually you can wrap it in saran wrap to keep it from sticking to...
Wrap the mat in saran wrap.
Wrap the mat in saran wrap, and it will keep the rice from sticking all to the mat. All right, so got your ingredients lined up.
Okay.
Thumbs underneath the mat.
Thumbs underneath.
Fingers on top. And then you're going to roll over like you go.
Okay.
And then you can lift up. You can kind of see where the rice meets the nori here.
Oh, sure.
So your seam is going to close.
Okay.
So what you do is grab the makisu and just roll it about a quarter turn, and then you're going to press.
Okay.
Like that.
Good deal.
And then you roll it out.
Roll it out. Oh, right.
That's
All
it.
right. That's not so bad.
So now you can see the whole roll is pretty much closed.
Okay.
You got a little seam there, but the rice is so
God.
sticky that it'll
Okay.
keep it all together. And you can press it, shape it with the mat. You know,
Yeah.
if you got stuff squishing off the sides, which will happen sometimes. Push it in, and then we cut.
And you just kind of pick it up and go.
You can do that if you want.
All right.
It's your sushi.
My sushi. My special sushi.
So same thing with the knife. Dip it in the water.
Okay.
That's gonna help the rice from sticking to the knife as you cut.
You can use any knife here, or
Any
is
knife you
there
got at home,
use like a chef's knife kind of thing?
something like this will work too.
Sure.
A little paring knife, petty knife,
Okay.
whatever you got. Don't really want to do serrated, so and the sharper the better, obviously.
Sure.
But so we get a little bit more water. All right, so you're gonna start in the dead center.
Mm-hmm.
So basically, we're just gonna do halves.
Okay.
So you can measure out 4 fingers if you want, or eyeball it, and then just don't press down because then you're gonna squish the roll flat. So you
Okay.
just want like a light sawing motion. Let the knife cut through.
Sure. Oh, okay.
There
It's
you go.
not as hard as it looks there.
So now you have 2 halves. Then you're gonna cut those halves in half
Okay.
again. That.
Cool.
Good.
Yeah.
And then you cut those quarters in half,
Wow.
and you end up with 8 pieces.
Sensing a theme here.
There you go. And that's it.
Let's plate these guys up here then. How do you want to do that? You want to put them on their sides?
However
and-
you want to plate is your choice.
I think you're doing just a hell of a job.
Wow. That means a lot coming from you.
Just so you know.
That means a lot coming from you.
I mean, I've been on television.
Here, you want some gloves, Richard? There. Can't be too careful.
Kind of a pro.
Oh, you've been on
I've
television,
been on television.
right?
Whatever, Joe.
Here we go again.
All right, cool. We're doing our Cali roll here, right?
Yeah.
You go for it. I'm gonna make like a janky little one.
You can do a hand roll, or we got enough for hand rolls.
Okay.
All right, so we're gonna once again spread the rice. Push, push, push. Pull, pull. Little sesame seed, what have you. All right.
Okay.
So this one's California roll. Traditionally, we're gonna use cucumber. We got our little. This is kanikama crab stick.
Crab stick.
They come wrapped. Make sure you take the wrapping off. All right.
All right.
So now we're gonna do our avocado.
Okay. You're just taking it right down the middle there.
Yeah, you know how to open an avocado.
You twist.
Twist.
A little twist. You
yeah.
got your seed
As
in
with
there.
all avocados, there's gonna be brown. You know, there's only like 10 seconds that an avocado is perfectly right.
Yeah.
So we only need about an eighth of an avocado for a roll. So I cut it in half again. Try and find the best part of the avocado, I guess. So cut that in half again. So you got about an eighth of an avocado here.
Okay.
The way we do it at the restaurant to make it go faster is we're gonna do a knife tip on the board and raised at whatever angle you want to cut. So if you want thicker slices, thinner slices. But these you want to be spreadable but not too small.
Wow.
So about a 1/4 inch thick slices. usually pick it up. It's easier to pick it up with a knife. If you try and grab it, it's gonna smush all together.
Sure.
So if you want it to like still look pretty, and then you're just gonna spread it out across the roll. Like
Wow.
so.
Gorgeous.
And you got avocado all the crust. Another easier way to do it, you know, if you're working with kids or you don't have, you know, knife skills, you can just take the half of an avocado and kind of like the cucumbers, you can just cut big chunks.
Oh
Like
yeah.
that. So then you got big
You just
chunks.
plop
Yeah.
2 down.
Like that. So, you know, whatever's easy for you guys. Have fun with it. Alright, so now we got our ingredients. This one's going to be a little more stuffed than the tuna roll. So we're going to
Speaking of,
get it onto the mat. So now what we want to do, same technique, your 4 fingers and your thumbs. You're going to go underneath with the thumbs. You're going to hold all this in with your fingers as you roll it over. And now there's a lot of ingredients kind of in there, so you got to make sure you get it closed.
you're giving
Sometimes-
a good squeeze on that,
Yeah.
sort of.
See, like avocado, which is my least favorite ingredient.
Just wants to shoot right out of
It's
there.
squishing
man.
out the sides, the bottom, the top, but that's okay. You know, you still got a little. It happens. You know, it's not always gonna be perfect. But we're gonna cut,
Remember to lube your knife. Gotta lube the knife.
lube everything.
Lube it all.
Okay, we got a pretty janky looking California roll.
Rock and roll. All right, now you're telling me about
Fix these.
like a hand roll style, right?
Yeah, hand roll.
Okay.
Most people
So why don't you-
have heard of hand rolls.
Why don't you walk me through that?
Alright. So what you're going to do with the hand roll, it's going to be real simple.
Okay.
You're going to get the rice
Okay.
in this corner area. Maybe like,
Okay.
you basically that half.
Kind of this half.
Yeah, but like you can leave this corner like empty.
Okay.
It's like for looks, I guess. Aesthetic, whatever you want to call it. There you go.
How's that?
You can spread it up a little farther.
Okay.
There you go. That's about good.
Doesn't have to be as
Now,
flat.
these hand rolls take a lot less ingredients than regular rolls.
Okay.
So if you just want to use like one cucumber,
Yeah, should I
or
cut
if
it?
you want to cut it down, you can do that.
Okay. Do
A couple slices
see
there.
the
That works.
little guys. Okay.
And then you're going to put it this way
Oh,
at an
okay.
angle.
Okay.
So basically, this is going to be the top of your
This is
roll,
the top.
and this will be the
And
bottom.
this is the bottom. Okay.
And then you can take out your conning.
Oh yeah, yeah. The crowd.
Well, if we're making like a California style hand roll.
Okay. Sure. Okay.
And then lay it
Same way.
the same way, right across the top there. We'll nix the avocado for Tim.
Oh, thank
Thank
you.
you.
That's so nice. But you just take one of these and toss it
Yeah.
in there as well.
Exactly.
Okay.
All right, so with your left hand,
Okay. Left hand.
you're going to go underneath.
Okay.
There you go. All the way.
Okay.
There you go.
Ah.
So you can hold it in your hand.
Oh, sure. Okay. I'm
right
just.
here.
Yeah.
In the palm. There you go. So you're gonna take this corner and over to this corner, basically.
It's like
There you go.
origami.
Now, as you're holding, you're gonna roll it. It's kind of hard to show you without. Here, let's see if I can do this. So you're gonna go over like this. See how that makes like a cone
Oh yeah. Yeah.
over
Okay.
the rice?
Oh, my stuff's falling out here. Okay.
Yeah. And then as you go, you're gonna roll, and it's gonna make a cone like that.
Roll.
Yeah,
All right. Well,
There you go.
you
You
know,
can shove it back.
a little floppy there.
That's-
Cool. And then you're ready to go, huh?
Your first hand roll is pretty good. So.
What can I say? All right, let's do a cute little plate up for these guys so they can see how this can look at home here.
That's it.
All right, thanks for tuning in, guys. I hope you have a lot of fun at home. Call up. You can do curbside pickup at Komodo Loco for your sushi kit. And that should be available now. Thanks, guys.